The older that a person gets, the harder it becomes to forgive. I don't mean this in a foreign sense to like forgive somebody else, but yourself. It's easy to forgive yourself for mistakes when like you're a child. You don't even think about, what you've done. You just are like, oh, whatever. The older you get, I think, the more effort it takes to truly forgive. And I recently read this line that toleration will eventually lead to disgust. Again, throughout the entirety of this video, I don't mean anything in a foreign sense, but I mean this. I'm like as a relationship that we have with ourselves. Any habit that you're letting get formed, if it's a good one, great. But if it's a thing that you should not be supporting, the more you tolerate it, the more it will disgust you, and the more you will find it hard to forgive yourself and get over it. I was just writing something. I have my laptop open right here, so 1 second. So I wrote that, let's say that um you have a cut on your skin, okay? A wound, and life would have been beautiful if you never had this wound, and it never had to heal, and it would have just been perfect. But you do have a wound, and for it to heal, you have to stop like picking on it, right? So let's say that you make a decision that, oh, okay, I won't do it. And let's say you make it as far as day 17, and the urge is really strong, and you just pick it. So you're back on square one. And you're optimistic still. You're like, oh, I can just do it. And this time you make it, let's say, as far just as day 8, and you give up again. You're optimistic again. And this time you make it as far as day, let's say, 53. It's starting to heal, but now it's almost as if you just want to pick on the wound and just go back. You like just don't want to change, maybe. But I think that is the breakthrough. Every urge that you get to go back. I think 1 second. Yeah, to go back, I think you have to like fight it, and once you get through those points, it'll be easy. But every time that you keep on breaking, every time there's a speed bump and you just decide to go back, that is a catalyst. You're feeding into not you're consciously feeding into a loop that's not good. So how this also breaks down a belief that you have in yourself that, oh, maybe I just cannot. Because once you go after day 53, it's hard to even look in the mirror and be like, what? The further you go, the stronger the urge gets to go back. And again, it would have been just perfect if there was no wound to fight wherever, but that is one, right? And life gets so much easy once you accept that life is hard. It's really easy to believe in somebody else that Okay, you know what? I'm going to be that for you, but it's really hard to believe in yourself that okay, maybe you can change too. Being back to day one, being back on squad one, it's I don't know. And no matter what you feel deep down, you think that oh deep down I know I can do it. But that is no deep down. I think deep down is the biggest lie ever. If you want to, you could just do it. There is no deep down. You know what you want for yourself. There is no deep down. Deep down is the lie. 15th of July. Yup, that was it. I will see you on Sunday. Or maybe I'll post this on a Sunday, whatever.